Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Mark.
And I'm your host, Alice. Welcome to I Speak English. We are so happy you are here with us today.
That is right, Alice. Today is a very special episode. Today, we are talking about a great topic. We are talking about elevating your creativity.
To elevate means to go up, to make something higher or better.
So, we want to make your creativity better this year. So, Alice, let's start with a big question. What does it mean to be creative?
That is a good question. To me, being creative means making something new. It means using your imagination. It is when you have an idea in your head and you make it real. What about you, Mark? Does creativity mean art to you?
Yes, it does. I usually think of painting or drawing, but it is not only art. I think it is about solving problems too.
I agree. Let me ask you this. Does creativity mean inventing things to you?
Oh, absolutely. Think about the telephone or the computer. Someone had to be creative to invent them. They imagined something that was not there before.
That is true. Inventors are very creative people.
Alice, I know you like to try new things. Do you express your creativity by writing poetry?
No, I do not write poetry. I am not very good with rhyming words. Roses are red, violets are blue. That is all I know.
That is a classic poem, though.
What about you, Mark? Do you express your creativity by writing poetry?
Well, actually, yes.
Really? I did not know that.
Yes, I write poems about my favorite subject.
Let me guess. Is it about food?
How did you know? I wrote a poem about a hamburger yesterday.
Mark, you are obsessed with food. Every episode you talk about eating.
Hey, food is art, Alice. A hamburger is a beautiful creation.
Okay. You are funny, Mark.
Let's be serious for a moment. Do you express your creativity by writing books?
I want to write a book one day. I have a goal for 2026. I want to write a story about travel, but I have not started yet. It is a big project.
That sounds amazing. You travel a lot, so it is a good idea.
Thanks, Mark. Now, I have a question for you. Do you express your creativity by writing music?
I try to. I play the guitar a little bit. I like to make simple songs. It helps me relax after work.
Can you sing?
No, definitely not. I sound like a sad cat when I sing.
I would love to hear that.
No, you would not. It is terrible.
Okay, Mark. This is a deep question. Do you feel creativity gives your life more meaning?
Wow. Yes, I do. When I make something, I feel useful. I feel like I left a mark on the world. Even if it is just a small song or a bad poem, it makes me feel alive.
That is beautiful, Mark. I feel the same. When I am creative, I feel happy. I feel like I am growing.
Exactly. Now, here is a phrase we use in English. Thinking outside the box. It means thinking differently. So Alice, how do you think you could think outside the box more?
I think I need to do new things. If I do the same thing every day, I think inside the box. But if I travel or meet new people, I get new ideas. I need to change my routine.
That is smart. Routine can be the enemy of creativity.
Mark, you need to think outside the box too. Maybe outside the pizza box?
You got me there. But seriously, I agree. I need to read different books. I need to listen to different music. Okay, Let's ask some more questions. We want to help our listeners speak about this topic. I will ask you, then you ask me.
Sounds good.
Question number 1. What are your main creative goals for 2026?
My main goal is to take a photography class. I want to take better pictures. Your turn. Do you like drawing or painting?
I like drawing cartoons. They are simple but fun. Here is a question for you, Alice. Is cooking a creative act?
Yes. Mixing flavors is very creative. But I prefer eating to cooking. Just like you.
True.
Okay, next question. Do you need money to be creative?
No, I don't think so. You can write with a pencil and paper. You can sing with your voice. Creativity is free. Next one. Can you be creative at work?
Yes, you can. You can find new ways to do your job. You can organize your desk in a new way. Ask me another one.
What time of day are you most creative?
I am a morning person. I have my best ideas at 6 a.m. When I wake up, my brain is fresh. I know you are not a morning person, Mark. You are grumpy in the morning.
I am not grumpy. I am just sleepy. I am creative late at night.
Okay, question for you. Who is your creative hero?
I like Walt Disney. He had such a big imagination. He created a whole world. What about you?
I like J.K. Rowling. She wrote the Harry Potter books. She created magic with words.
Good choice. Do you like taking photos?
Yes, I do. I take photos with my phone all the time. Mostly photos of my cat. Is fashion a kind of creativity?
Yes. The clothes you wear tell a story. They show your personality. Speaking of clothes, Alice, you are always wearing gym clothes.
It is called athleisure. I like to be comfortable, and I work out every day. Unlike some people, Mark.
I walk to the refrigerator. That is exercise.
You are hopeless. Okay, last rapid question. Do you share your ideas with friends?
Sometimes. But sometimes I am a bit shy. I am afraid they will not like my idea. Let's talk a bit more about that, Alice. Sharing ideas can be scary, but it is important for self-awareness.
What is self-awareness?
It means knowing yourself, knowing what you are good at, and knowing what you are bad at.
I see. So if I share my idea, I learn more about myself?
Yes. And we can talk about self-actualization.
That is a big word for A2 level.
It is. It means becoming the best you possible. Creativity helps us do that.
I agree. It gives us personal fulfillment. Fulfillment means feeling full or satisfied. When I create, I feel satisfied.
Let's talk about business too. Creativity and entrepreneurship.
An entrepreneur is someone who starts a business.
Right. To start a business in 2026, you need a vision.
A vision is a picture of the future.
Yes. You need to see the future in your head. That is pure creativity.
So business people are artists too?
In a way, yes. They design a company.
That is a cool way to think about it. So how can we make this a habit? We need daily practices.
Yes. You cannot be creative only one time a year. You need to do it every day.
Like brushing your teeth?
Yes. Write for 10 minutes every day. Or draw for 5 minutes. Or think of one new idea.
It is about discipline.
It is. If you do it every day, you will find your uniqueness.
Uniqueness means being special, being different from everyone else.
Everyone has a unique story. Creativity is how you tell your story.
I love that, Mark. So, for 2026, our listeners should set creative goals.
Yes. Don't just say, I want to be creative. Say, I will write one page every week.
Or, I will cook a new meal every Sunday.
Make it specific.
And don't be afraid to fail.
Failing is part of the process. If you don't fail, you are not trying.
That is very true.
Wow, that was a fun and interesting conversation. Now we'll have a casual look at some of the words we used. Welcome to the Vocabulary Deep Dive. Here are 12 important words from today's episode.
Okay, here is number 1. Creative. Definition. Being able to make new things or think of new ideas. Example. She is very creative. She paints beautiful pictures.
Number 2, goal. Definition. Something you want to do or achieve in the future. Example. My goal for 2026 is to learn English.
Here's number 3. Invent.
Definition. To make or design something that did not exist before.
Example. Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone.
Number 4, poetry. Definition. A type of writing that uses beautiful words, often with rhythm or rhyme. Example. He wrote poetry for his wife.
Number 5. Meaning.
Definition. The importance or value of something.
Example. Helping people gives my life meaning.
Number 6, outside the box. Definition. Thinking in a new or different way, not following the usual rules. Example. To solve this problem, we need to think outside the box.
Number 7. Entrepreneur.
Definition. A person who starts a business.
Example. My uncle is an entrepreneur. He has a shoe shop.
Number 8, vision. Definition. An idea or mental picture of the future. Example. The leader has a clear vision for the country.
Number 9. Habit. Definition. Something you do often or every day, usually without thinking. Example. Running in the morning is a healthy habit.
Number 10, unique. Definition. Being the only one of its kind, special and different. Example. Your fingerprint is unique to you.
Number 11. Fulfilled. Definition. Feeling happy and satisfied because you are doing something good. Example. I feel fulfilled when I finish a hard project.
Number 12, express. Definition. To show your feelings or thoughts. Example. I express my happiness by smiling. If you'd like to do a little extra English practice, here are some English shadowing exercises we can do together. We'll speak a phrase, then you give it a try. Please repeat after us.
Now it is time to practice. Repeat the phrases after us.
We will leave a space for you to speak.
Let's get started. Here's the first sentence.
I want to be more creative in 2026.
What does it mean to be creative?
I like to paint and draw pictures.
She invented a new machine.
Do you write poetry in your free time?
I am going to write a book in 2026.
Music helps me express my feelings.
Creativity gives my life meaning.
We need to think outside the box.
My main goal is to start a business.
He is a successful entrepreneur.
You need a vision for your future.
Drawing is a daily practice for me.
I want to find my uniqueness.
Do you share your ideas with friends?
I feel fulfilled when I cook.
Don't be afraid to make a mistake.
I take photos with my phone.
Is fashion a kind of creativity?
I have my best ideas in the morning.
Routine can stop your creativity.
Try to do something new every day.
I am not good at singing.
We hope you feel inspired today.
Let's elevate our creativity together. That was great, everyone. We're excited to know all our English is getting a little bit better every day.
Keep on listening and speaking, and you'll do really well with your English. Thank you for being here. We are grateful for you.
Yes. Practice your English and stay positive.
I'm your host, Alice.
And I'm your host, Mark. See you next time.